Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
Yeah, with the girls.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just
Morning. Let me get you set up right. Had a very lovely, relaxing morning so far. I'm reading this book at the moment. Welcome to the inaugural meeting of the Fairvale Ladies Book Club. Oof, that's a title, isn't it? By Sophie Green. Set in Australia, Northern Territory in the 1970s. And it's about a group of women who come together for a book club. Check out, have a look at this cute as little bookmark that my mum sent me. Isn't that gorgeous? So she bought it from a little marketplace who support women in Africa, and this one in particular was from Zimbabwe. So pretty. Also got a delivery this week. So I've been following Plentiful Kiki for so long, and she's just released a new revised book, and Plentifully Lean. It's got heaps of recipes, loads that she already shares on her website anyway, but I love a physical book, especially a physical recipe book. So this one, it was, how much was it? So it was $33.29, and I was like, yeah, that's not so bad for a recipe book. I did not convert it to Australian dollars, and that was in US dollars, so I think it ended up being about $50, which, you know, honestly is a bit much for a cookbook. But anyway, I really like her personality, and I love her channel, and I think her food kind of coincides with the food that I like to eat as well, like real simple, real easy. Anyway, I'm going to be cooking from that, see how I get on. And today, just heading to the pottery store. I need to get some wire so I can hold up some spoons in the kiln. Firing spoons is actually super annoying because you can't have them laying down because otherwise the glaze runs and it will stick to the kiln shelf. So I've got to get some special wire that doesn't melt in a kiln. Anyway, I'm going to go do that. Let me show you the fit of the day. Beautiful. Oh, these are some leggings. I got them from Shein. It was, oh, I can't remember, I think it was Glow Lab. Is that right? No, I don't think that's right. I'll find the details for it. And I've just got this lovely knitted jumper. Now that the weather's cooling down on the Sunshine Coast, love it when I can wear a jumper. This is just from my mother-in-law, and it's actually from M&S. Now, I'm Australian. I don't know what M&S is, but she tells me that it's very good. And then underneath, I've just got a little croppy duva that I got from the op shop. Just pair it with my Puma Callies. Ew. Oh, and I forgot to mention my beautiful earrings. These are my favourite ever earrings. My sister-in-law gave me these ones when I was bridesmaid for her wedding. I love them. Always up to mischief, aren't you? Oh my god, that soup was so delicious. I will actually put the recipe in the description box below because it was so good. I used Thai yellow curry, and even though that's like the mildest one, it still had a little hint of spiciness, which was I really enjoyed. I also added in some spring onions and coriander. Are you a coriander fan? Because I love it. Absolutely love coriander. It's like my favourite thing in the world. Oh my god, this cat Let me show you what he's up to. Where are you going? You naughty boy. Oh, he's so feisty. What are you doing? You nutbag. I don't know whether you would have noticed, but if this quality is any better or worse, because I'm borrowing a camera at the moment. I usually film just on my phone, but I'm borrowing a camera at the moment to see how this is. So let me know if you can tell if it's any better or worse, because otherwise I'll keep using it or not. What is he doing? Sunny.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
It's a bit woolly, isn't it? Whoa.
And we just slow down.
It's a bloody noisy instrument though. Well, he doesn't like it when I play beside him on the couch.
Shush.
Ooh-wee. Yeah. Here is a pro tip for you. Put your pizzas on some baking paper before you put it in onto a stone, because it makes it easier to get off the actual stone. And also, oh, and that's it. I had nothing else.
That's gonna get vlogged.
Yeah, for sure. That was sick.
This actually smells amazing.
Tell me about it. What do you reckon, mate?
Oh, I'm having this place. Look. That's my spot, sorry. What are you doing?
Oh, Daniel.
I'm sitting there. I'm gonna have a salam. It's the pizza ganger.
A salam, hey?